Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Frank. Today we're going to talk about fillers and hesitation words. All right. These are words that we use when we don't know what we're going to say next. Maybe we're thinking, or sometimes we use these for very specific purposes. Okay. First one is saying or all right. We do this to show that we're thinking about our answer. For example, if somebody asks me suddenly, what's your favorite food? I like pizza. Lasagna is also good. Okay. The next one is, well, okay. We can use this if we need a little more time to start our sentence, or sometimes we use this to show that we're giving our opinion with some balance. Like we're thinking about a way of answering the question, considering all the situations. Okay. For example, if somebody asks me, do you like your job? Well, sometimes. It's stressful, but I like it. All right. Next one is, you know. Okay. This one can be used to confirm that somebody understands what you're saying, but we also use this one as a filler word at the beginning of a sentence, maybe when we're giving a surprising answer, when something is maybe less complicated than someone else thinks. My computer's broken, for example, so you ask me, how did you fix your computer? I just restarted it. Okay, you can use this in a funny way sometimes to maybe make a situation seem more simple than it really was. All right, next one is actually. All right, this is used to correct someone or to clarify a statement. If somebody asks you a question and they're assuming something about you, then you might start your answer with actually. If it's a topic of food, and they said, "Oh, I know you. You love, fried chicken." You'd say, "Well, actually, I'm vegan." Okay, meaning I don't eat meat. All right. So we use that to correct or to clarify a situation that might be wrong. And the last one we'll talk about today is just saying, "Let me see." If you just need to think about something for a moment, especially in a class situation, you could say, let me see. Let me see. Okay. If somebody asks you, your teacher asks you for an answer in a math class, let's imagine, and they ask you, what's the answer to number 6? Let me see. It's x equals 4. Okay. All right. So this is when you're searching for information or you're recalling or thinking about a detail that you need to use your memory for. Okay. Native speakers use these words all the time, but words like and might seem unprofessional in an office setting, or obviously if you're giving a presentation in front of people, you need to avoid saying and because maybe you sound unprepared for your presentation. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to the channel. Please check back for more videos later and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.